Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to join the Binance affiliate program. First, you'll need to understand the program's core benefits, like earning commissions on trades, and ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Next, we'll walk through the application process on the Binance website, making sure you provide all the necessary information. Finally, I'll show you how to get started once approved, so you can begin earning from your referrals right away. To be eligible, you typically need a substantial social media following, usually over 5,000, or a significant trading volume on Binance. Once you confirm eligibility, navigate to the Binance website and find the affiliate program page. Click Apply Now and fill out the application form completely, providing details about your platform, audience, and how you plan to promote Binance. Double-check all information before submitting. After submitting your application, Binance will review it, which can take a few business days. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation email and gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll find your unique referral link, marketing banners, and other promotional assets. Start sharing your link with your audience across your platforms to encourage new users to sign up and trade on Binance, earning you commissions. To maximize your earnings, experiment with different content types, like tutorials or market analyses, and promote across various platforms. Regularly check your affiliate dashboard to track clicks, sign-ups, and commissions. Use this data to refine your strategies and focus on what works best. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other valuable deals and resources. This will help you grow your financial knowledge alongside your affiliate income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.